No, but of coffee, 16 no short bread, 17 instead. So catch up the fire, put on the coffee now. Unto the margin, down to the cemetery. A big me mother ladder, got you know say that in person. Build up the coffin, then go dig out the grave with her. But a coffee, 16 no short bread, I wanna bury a dead. No, but of coffee, 16 no short bread, 17 instead. So make more space and you take me more room. None can test and then the body have it too. Don't for me, I'm like a Daniel Boone. Yes, I have a fragrance of a sweet perfume. Give me hot coffee, switching love short bread. Just to bury the dead. No, hot coffee, switching love short bread. 17 instead. No, no. Hot coffee, switching love short bread. I wanna bury my dead. Hot coffee, switching love short bread. 17 instead. No, find me a pastor, bring me a priest. Them the boy are the least. No, in a dance hall now them call me the thief. I lay them 6 foot deep. So hot coffee, switching love short bread. I wanna bury a dead. Won't give it hot coffee, switching love short bread. 17 instead. No, put on the frying pattern, fry up the fish now. Lay down boy in the dirty dish go. On the set you feel lay down straight with a hot coffee, switching love short bread. Yeah, we in the house. What's good, everybody? Yeah. Yeah, I see y'all coming in. What's happening? Yeah, Coco Moco in the building. What's good, LeBron? Yeah, see you in here. Yeah, what they do, 12G? Yeah. Yeah, what they do, William? See you in the house. Yeah, Tyson in the house. What's happening? Yeah, Dave G. Yeah, what they do, Coke? Yeah, Michelle C. Okay. All right, see you in here. Errol Kid, what's good? Yeah, Michelle Shaw, see you in the house. On red alert. Yeah, Taylor in the building. What's happening with it? Pensacola Dembo, back in the house. What's good? Casey, y'all in the house. Yeah, Sugar and Spice, I see you in here. Yeah, Lord, what's good? Christopher H. Yeah, Boo Baby, what's happening? Yeah, hey, we in here. What they do, Carter? Yeah, Mark, I see you in the building. Yeah. Yeah, Charlie, what's good? Yeah, Eddins, I see you in the building. Yeah, of course. Yeah, Stella Johnson, what's good? Yeah. Perry in the house. Cassie Robinson, Fighting Truth. Yeah, Trev, what they do? Yeah, of course, more, see you in the house. Yeah, all right. What's up with it? That's what's good. Yeah, of course, English, see you in the building. MP. Yeah, Man on the Island, what's really good? Paul Myers. Yeah. Yeah, what I do, Wishman? See you in the house. Yeah, Johnson. Yeah, it doesn't matter in the house. I see you show up. What's good, Ennins? Yeah, Jamar. Arcot. Yeah, Caroline. See you in here. Kevin J. Bootney, what's good? Yeah, Cassie Robinson. Martha in the house. What's good? Yeah, Golden Gates. Yeah, the pre-bride. What's good? Yeah. Yeah, that killer man. What's good? See you in here. Yeah, Big Dogger. Ron D. What's good, Alex? Yeah. Yeah, of course, Chair. See you in the building. Peach Nut. Yeah, Real Chris, I see you back in here. Cherry Price, what's good, Donald? Yeah. Yeah, what I do, South? Yeah, I see you in the house, Nicholas. What's really good? Yeah. Yeah, let me catch up in here now, man. Yeah, Mendez, what's good, my friend? See you in here. Linda Brown.
Yeah, honest. Sandy in the house. Jay Connor, what's good, my friend? Yeah. Paula in the house. Fight. What they do on Fear Fight? Fat Vegan. Yeah. Brandon Taylor in the building. What's good? Yeah, you already know. Lawrence. Yeah, that's what's up. Let me see what else in here before we get going. Yeah, it doesn't matter what you think in the house. Love all. I see you. Yeah. What they do, Troy? Yeah. Of course. You know we in here, Miss T. Yeah. Biggest D. Yeah, loophole. What's good? Yeah, Taylor, I see you in the house. EE, what's happening? Kizzy baby. Yeah. I'm saying, Dolly, what's good? See you in the house. Learning. What's good, my friend? Yeah, Laurie Smith in the building. What's happening? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know how that goes sometimes. Yeah, just do what you gotta do to recover and get well, my friend. Yeah, TLG on the track. What's good? Yeah. The rich is the poor. What's good? Yeah. Of course, men gig. What's good? Yeah, Solar back in the house. What's good? Jeff, what's happening, Jeff Young? Yeah. Hey, we on. Ladyville. Yeah. On red alert. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But we go get going a little bit. Couple more people come in. Yeah. Of course, I see you, Perla B. 70 dudes. What's good? Yeah, Queen in the house. What's happening? Elizabeth, see you in here. Groovy Train. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Hey, but good weather, man. I mean, it's not that bad. You know what I'm saying, Laurie? Yeah, what's good, Lisa Riley? See you in the house. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Deans. Yeah, I see you in there. Yeah. Melvin back in the house. What's good, my friend? Yeah. You know we do it. What's good, Bob? Empress in the building. Yeah. Yeah, I see you. What's good, Bradley? That's what's up. Here we go get in. Already. You already know, Laurie. Of course. Yeah. What's good, Casey? Yeah, of course. Hey, Joel. See you in the building. Hey, we go get going. We go break this down out. We go see, because we always be saying that they don't want to try no moon landing, so-called, the fake moon landing. They don't want to fake it. Basically, in these times, because people get too smart. But when we talk about they don't want to fake it, we talking about America. You know what I mean? But that don't mean another country wouldn't try that dumb shit, because that's how they do it. Everybody want a piece of the pie, of the lie. You get it? Let's get into this right here and break it down. Let's see what they're talking about. Get serious now.
Images of the far side of the moon, captured by a Chinese probe. And with that, China has made history, making the first ever landing in that area.
You see? So you see what it is, right? America make history by make it the first man to land on the moon and step foot on there. And now China go get their piece of the pie. Yes, they land on the part that no man ever stepped foot either. Wow. This is some dumb shit for the masses right here.
The touchdown of the Chang'e 4 probe is the most significant success of the Chinese space program so far.
All of them got a space
But China has...
Look at what they got to show you. Wow. I told you people. What is this they're showing the masses right here? What is this? Wow. Would you see this right here and believe that they really go to the moon if you see this?
Even more ambitious plans for the future. It aims to...
Wow. Look at this right here. That's why I tell you they could never try that dumb shit. But of course, China will try it. Of course, there you go.
catch up with or even surpass
all animation, all cartoon.
the US and Russia in the next decade by building a lunar palace and sending probes and rovers to Mars.
Wow. Let's go back, people. This is ridiculous right here. Did they try to pass off this as a real video? Wow.
But China has even more ambitious plans for the future. It aims to catch up with or even surpass the US and Russia in the next decade by building a lunar palace and sending probes and rovers to Mars.
A lunar what? A palace. Wow. Okay.
So what's driving China's space mission? And why is it making the US so uneasy?
It's one small step for man,
Wow.
one giant leap for mankind.
The space
See, this is what they used to fool you before VCR. Before they have VCR, they could fool you with this shit right here. What they're gonna do next, show you nothing but CGI. Of course, no doubt about it.
race began over a half a century ago between the US and the Soviet Union. China didn't come into the picture until
This
2000.
shit right here is nothing but fake shit. They like to dumb down the people with the gloves on. Wow. You believe that he went somewhere? Wow. All of them right here in orange. But did you believe that he go somewhere? No way.
China didn't come into the picture until 2003, when Beijing launched the country's first manned space flight. But China is catching up fast, with the world's first quantum communications satellite, the world's largest radio telescope, and near completion of the Beidou satellite network, a rival to the US's GPS system. Beyond national pride, China hopes it can tap the GPS system.
That's a GPS system right there. You believe it? Wow. Satellites so-called circling around the earth. They never collide.
Beyond national pride, China hopes it can tap into huge resources in space and gain a strategic and economic edge over other countries.
飞一天梦啊，这是
That's fake shit right here.
强国梦的重要组成部分。
China has set its sights on the moon's resources, including water, which can potentially be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen and used as rocket fuel. China also
Go
can be
back.
broken down into hydrogen and oxygen.
Look at these so-called. What these right here? Is it footstep or is it rocks? Wow, they can fake the dumb people real easy. And look at this tin file right here. Okay, no doubt about it. And a solar panel for wings. They're good, man. They're good to
And
fool
used
the
as
dumb
rocket
people.
fuel.
And there they go. They're showing you the earth right there, and they're showing you the sun. Wow. If this is not dumb shit, how people buy this? It's beyond me.
China also wants to
Can't
set up a
believe
base
it.
on the moon, which analysts say would be an economical way to launch future deep space missions.
Look at that shit right there.
During the Cold War, the space race was mostly about who could get there 1st. But analysts say for China, it's different. It's about
Look
going
at this
there,
right here.
getting
Look at this. Wow.
set up, building capacity, and possibly writing the rules.
What you will then go about doing is to establish norms,
Wow.
permission
All
grants,
cartoon. All cartoon people. You believe this right here? All computer generated right there. Wow. Wow, they're mapping
permission
the
grants,
people, man.
which nation can come and access those resources by establishing institutions that give you permission and also adjudicate disputes.
China is also scheduled to
Right
deploy
here. You believe that this is real? This is cartoon people, CGI. It's not the real water right there. This is not real land. And this right here is bullshit that they have say call it a satellite flying around the earth. Wow, with these flappers on. Are you kidding me?
a space station by 2022, right before the US-led International
There you
Space
go.
Station.
All of them is fake. All of them is fake. Fake fucking CGI they make at NASA. Because I told you, if you can't make these right here and make it look like real to the dumb people, you can never get a job at NASA.
Is decommissioned. That means China's space station will be the only platform in Earth orbit in a few years' time. Analysts see this as Beijing's opportunity to establish its leadership in space.
Wow. Look at this
China's
one,
rise in
fake
space has led
rocket
to
and
worries in the
everything. Wow,
US.
watch it.
Some American lawmakers are concerned that China could limit or even deny access to Americans.
You ever ask yourself, people, why the rocket don't flip? You ever ask yourself that? Why the rocket does not flip? Let's go back. Let me show you something, because I'm not dumb. Yes, you know already. Any rocket you send up, even the firecracker, and this one right here, if you notice, take a look at this right here. It just go straight up, standing straight up, never tilt to the side, none at all. You believe that? Watch it again. Watch. Look how
This has
straight
led to
the
worries
rocket
in the
go.
U.S.
What keep the front of it so fucking point straight? Never ever even turn? Wow, what the hell they used to hold it? That don't make no sense, people. That alone tell you it's fake. What made the rocket never even dip to the side?
Some American
Just
lawmakers are
straight.
concerned that China could limit
Wow.
or even deny access to Americans in the long term, the same way the U.S. has denied China access to the current space station. Or it could make the U.S. military vulnerable.
Given the fact that the US military is so dependent on space assets for precision mission guided missiles, for GPS, for
See, people, look how the rocket go, and you can tell. If you notice a fire rocket, the one that you see them selling in New Year's and all of that, it basically got the thing on the side. Yes, the fire started from the side. There's no way they could have it on at the bottom, blowing all that heat and so-called force, and it keep it straight. No way it could happen. No way.
guided missiles,
No way.
for
There you go.
GPS,
Just a fake
for
shit.
navigation. The fact that the US military is so dependent
Alright,
on
I'm
space
gonna ask you
assets
one
for
question
precision
again.
mission guided
I
missiles.
guess I must be the smartest man on the earth. What is taking this right here? What is above there looking dead at the rocket coming at him? Who doing that?
For
There you
GPS,
go, coming straight at the camera. Wow.
for
There you go.
navigation, they're almost entirely dependent.
Wow.
So think of a situation where a Chinese ASAT
Look at this
capability
right here. This is what
targets
they're
that.
telling you.
That creates huge amount of
I
vulnerability.
told you. Why you think they can't show you the real satellite? Why not a satellite take a picture of a next or a video can show the next satellite? No. There's no satellite. It's bullshit. All fakery for the dumb masses. Why they have to give you fake? Because it's never real. They can't give you an actual photo of a satellite.
The U.S. has
There
revived
you
its
go.
manned
Look how
space
the
program.
look how the rocket going straight up. You believe that, people? Look at it right there. The fire and the force is under the bottom. It pushing with force. Why the fuck the rocket stays straight? That don't make no sense. It's bullshit.
The U.S. has revived its manned space program to the moon and Mars
All
after
fake
letting it
one.
languish
Wow,
for
look at this right here. You believed in this? Wow, why is it would look like this if it's the real moon? We know already the moon is a light. What the fuck is this going on? How would you get a dark surface and a light?
years. The Trump administration wants to set up a new military command
look at this
dedicated to
fake shit.
space.
Look at this fake shit right here. And I told you, it's Devil Run. Watch the wall. Watch this right here. Wow.
When it comes to defending America,
And the
it is not enough to merely have an American presence in space. We must
See this right here? This is a 100% mockery. But you see, to the dumb people, they can cheer, jump and laugh and smile about it. Yeah, we're gonna have a space force with your dumb self. You see him? He know already 100% that it's garbage. You see his face? Of course, they're tricking the dumb people.
have
You're gonna have a fucking force in space? Wow.
American dominance.
Wow.
In-
Dominance as he holding the devil horns right there on the masses. It's just for dumb people to suck up. I told you already. Of course, there's no real space. They have no space because the dome people, they can never get out. No matter what they do, they're trapped in this earth. We all trapped in here. You know what I mean? Yeah. What's good, everybody? Back in the chat a little bit. We go keep pushing a little bit, show you how they sell the masses this lie. Yeah, for years and years, they've been selling you this lie. Now, all of a sudden, they're going to make a force in space where they protect aliens from attacking you. Get your ass up out of here. You have nothing to do but tricking the masses. You believe that, people? Wow. You tell me, if they have something else to do besides lying to the masses, why would I come out with this dumb shit? Don't make sense. It don't make no kind of sense. Yeah. Yeah, let me check on something right quick. Hold on. Feel like somebody is there. Hold on. Just put you on hold for a minute. Alright.
No worry, you no worry, you no worry, you no worry yourself. No. No worry, you no worry, you no worry, you no worry yourself. Let it all know. No worry yourself if you big on your broad. From heart to beating on your chest, Don't worry yourself if you big on your broad. From heart to beating on your chest, say. No little youth them shouldn't take what you pay. As long as you're running on your bed, no. No little youth them shouldn't take what you pay. As long as you're running on your bed, oh. Every luck is not the same. No, no, no. Every luck is not the same. No, no. Phenomenal 1, phenomenal 2, phenomenal 3 and 4. Yes, I am a singer from Jamaica, just for sure. I'll give a certain style, I want to settle up a score. But when I flash a style, the crowd of people but for more. Whoa, let me say, no call me certain name because the crowd might get me wrong. The storm me pop up picture, just the one phenomenal. No call me all fight because me, cause me girl done. No call me Little John because me, he's a big man. But I flash it on the style, I flash it on the pattern. But I keep up little rappers and them tell me figure long. Hey, let me say, no, don't worry yourself if you pick on your broad. From heart to beating on your chest, boy. Don't worry yourself if you pick on your broad. From heart to beating on your chest, no. No little them shouldn't take away your fame. As long as blood are running on your vein, no. Cause every luck is not the same. No, no, no. Every luck is not the same. No, not at all. Phenomenal 1, phenomenal 2, phenomenal 3 and 4. But I hear some people pins a cup and circle down the score. But over Europe, England, them just love me to the core. But when me flash, I start the crowd of people but for more. Whoa, let me say, no, no worry yourself if you big and broad. From out of beating on your chest, say, no worry yourself, but it's a big on your broad. Your heart is still a beating on your chest, boy. Oh, Peter came and said, you know you are the best. No boy can put you to a test, say, because you're better than the rest. Oh yeah, yeah, say you're better than the rest. All of the time, cycle to the brown, I like the style you fling down. People uptown and all over town, everyone a ball you down and say, no, no worry yourself because you're big and you're broad. Your heart's still a beating on your chest, eh? No worry yourself because you're big and you're broad. No boy can put you to a test, eh? Cause you're better than the rest, oh yeah. Hey, me say you're better than the rest. Yeah, what I say? Mind I'll never mind it. Oh, mind no, I'll never mind it. When me say phenomenal 1, phenomenal 2, phenomenal 3 and 4. Yes, I put up into come for circle down your score. But I used to crowd of people, them a ball up for more. But even in a Jamaica, them love me to the core. Them say, pop up into you fi give me some more. Give me some more from my 6 and 4. Oh, where them say, never mind, son, son, sonny, never mind. Oh, never mind, son, son, sonny, never mind. When them say, no worry myself, and if my dick on my broad, my heart still a beating on my chest. Me no worry myself because my big on my broad, heart still a beat in my chest. What? No little youth me should let it be fair. As long as I'm running on my bed, boy, copy my them no gonna say.
Yeah, I'm back in. Damn, I got the damn plumber in the damn building, man. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, you was supposed to show up all day. You're gonna show up right now. Messing me up right now, man. He out there for show. Yeah, shit. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy, people. Damn. Yeah, the damn man come at the wrong time, but yeah, and this shit. Yeah, but we here though. Fuck. Yeah, we might have to just keep going. Yeah, we gonna keep going for right now. Might have to just put you on hold sometime. Don't worry about it. Get into some more things.
Here's where we were. Well, here's where we were just a couple days ago on December 31st, 2018. This was humanity's best image of Ultima Thule, made by New Horizons at a range of about 500,000 kilometers out. Well, that image is so 2018. Meet Ultima Thule.
Look what they're showing the masses right here. I told you, part of the lies they keep telling the masses. Watch this right here. Watch this right here. 21, that's number 3, and there go your 33. 333.
Just like with Pluto, we could not be happier. What you're seeing is the first contact binary ever explored by spacecraft. It's 2 completely separate objects that are now joined together, and you're going to hear a lot more about that from.
Wow, people, you see how the mockery go on. The mockery never stop. Yes, two thing come there together. 2 objects to make that shit that you see them have on the screen right here. Wow, why they doing this? This is a big old bald-head lie.
Jeff Moore in just a little bit. Before that, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it, and then Kathy Olkin is going to add to the story. I'm telling you about its rotational properties and about albedo variations or reflectivity variations.
Hold on, let me see what's on his shirt. What the fuck is this? Wow, they like to mock
on the surface. People. Carly Howitt is going to tell you about, she's going to show you the first color images of Ultima.
Look at them. Wow, look at them right there, people. All fucking criminals on the masses, all liars.
And then tomorrow we're going to show you even more because stereo's coming to the ground, composition information's coming to the ground. We're looking for the atmosphere, and that data's just landed. So we'll have a lot more to tell you tomorrow as well. But let me say, that bowling pin is gone. It's a snowman, if it's anything at all.
There you go. I told you, it's just a fucking mock.
And
it's a mockery, people. You see it? Wow. Of course, it's a snowman. It's a mockery. 100%.
You know, we have to start thinking about some provisional names. And particularly, we need names right up front for the 2 lobes so that we can refer to them individually. Now, being scientists, we're not all that creative with words. So what we've decided to do is name one lobe Ultima and the other Thule. The big one is obviously Ultima. It's pretty easy to remember. And I want to talk about one more thing before I turn it over to Kathy. You remember that in the summer of 2017, one of the things that we did to pin down the orbit and so that we could intercept this amazing place in space was called the stellar occultation, in which we actually had to put a couple dozen telescopes in the shadow path of this tiny little city-sized world from 4 billion miles away.
Wow, 4 billion miles away. Do you see what they sell the dumb people? Of course, they're dumbing your masses
and
down.
We predicted where that would be if we knew the orbit precisely right. It was down in southern Argentina. And in fact, we managed to get that just right. And as you can see, some of those telescopes actually saw the light of Ultima blocked out, and that painted out a silhouette.
And what you need to know, people, don't trust the telescope. These are the same people who sell it to you. You get it? Of course, you're gonna see what the fuck they want you to see.
And as a result, we learned something about Ultima's shape, and we were able to precisely pin its position in space at one precise moment in time, using another technology called GPS satellites. Time. Using another technology called GPS satellites.
GPS satellites. Wow. As I already showed you in my video, I show you how they get the GPS signal. All cell signal, all of them come from that tower that you see. Okay, no doubt about it. Without that tower, you're not picking up no signal as far as GPS signal and none of that. You get it? Of course, there's no satellite.
This is part of what went into this amazing success of being able to do what New Horizons just did earlier this week. But I want to put the cherry on top and show you how well that occultation profile fit the actual target when we actually resolved it with the LORRI camera. How's that?
And listen to the people. Listen to the dummies in the background. They're here to dumb down the people. Of course, all the people that you hear in the background know that it's fake shit. There you go. Of course, that's the last image I got for you right there. The damn snowman. Wow. It's a joke. Let's continue.
This is a real-life lore video made possible by Squarespace. Make your next move with a beautiful website from Squarespace.
Squarespace. Wow, it sounds familiar. It sounds like it's the same one of them that wanna chip everybody, man. It's the same damn companies. Always call themselves Square. But there you go. Look at this right here. 2 C's right there. If it's used, still fucking CC33.
This is Earth. You live here on this planet somewhere, and everything that you've ever known is located right here. But just how small exactly is Earth?
You see? They show you this, and then they show you this right here. You believe it? Watch this.
Just how small
Look at this right here. This is real. Wow. Yeah.
Exactly is Earth when compared to the scale of the entire universe? Let's start by zooming out to where we can see our nearest cosmic neighbor, the Moon. You may think that the Moon is very close to Earth since it dominates our night skies, but in reality the Moon isn't this close to our planet, it's actually about this far away.
Why is there lying about how far the Moon and the Sun is from the Earth? Why? Because if they tell you that it's a ball, that's how they have to sell it to you. You get it? If they go back to the flat Earth, they would never ever bear it in their mind to tell you that the Moon is that far away or the Sun is that far away from the Earth when it's in the damn dome. Don't make sense.
384,400 kilometers away from you right now on average. You could fit 30 entire Earths in between this distance, and if you somehow were able to drive a car at a constant 100 kilometers
Just mockery, people. Just mockery. Wow.
per hour speed, it would take you about 160 days to drive the entire distance. Despite this incredible distance, however, 12
the fucking wind blowing the flag. I told you.
humans have actually set foot here, representing the furthest away that any individual human has ever been away from the Earth, and one of humanity's greatest achievements. This is
one of humanity's greatest achievement. Look what they show you. This is the Moon they're sitting on, and that's the Earth over there. You see that? If this is not dumb shit, I don't know what is.
what the Earth would look like from there if you were standing there with them. And if you wanted to communicate with somebody back at home, it would take a message about 2.5 seconds to travel between you and them, since that's how fast the speed of light can travel at.
You hear that? Just listen, pay attention, because they go contradict themselves, no doubt.
Them, since that's how fast the speed of light can travel at. This is a photo that was taken on Mars, and that tiny dot that
They was on Mars and take a photo, and there go the Earth. That's the Earth right there, the dot. Wow, I'm telling you, man, I can't believe people this dumb.
you see there is Earth as seen from the Martian surface. On average, Mars is an incredible 225 million kilometers away from Earth, but that distance can be as high as 401 million kilometers. That means that whenever humanity finally gets around to landing a human on the planet, that person will be 986 times further away from Earth than the astronauts who landed on the Moon were. In addition, the time delay for sending a message from Mars back to Earth isn't just 2.5 seconds, it's actually more like 20 minutes each direction, which would render instant communication in the event of an emergency impossible.
Yes, so all the fuck y'all getting live fucking film back from the rover same time. You get it from the so-called probe that flying to the sun. It's sending back all this signal in real time. That's what you lie to the masses all the time and contradict your damn self. There you go.
We zoom out even further away, we can find the Voyager 1 space probe, which is the furthest away man-made object from Earth.
Hold on.
Pass me a mass out. How you check that me pass out. A mass me a mass out. How you check that me pass out. You better be back and wind up waist and that's who the best. Think about I'm not little fitter, that's who the beast. Cause this a reggae music nice and this a reggae sweet. Cause who the hell to test the pins and who to compete. A mass out. How you check that me pass out. To the east, to the west, to the north, and to all the south. But me is like a keeper with the angle and a sprout. If you want the pins and sweetness, you fit pour it out. Cause a mass out. As you text that me pass out. I tap out, hello honey, hello good looking. Hello honey, hello good looking. You know, Pincher, I heard you start to sing. Is it you who sing the song named Greeting? Oh no way baby, it's alright my friend. The song I sing is gonna lift it up again. Whenever it play in dancer, it's a problem. She said, I like the way it moves me. me. Lift it up again, it grows me. So mass me, I mass out, and your check say that me pass out. I mass me, I mass out, your check say that me pass out. I mass me, I mass in a me granny test class. How we make that the glass, I must a piece of fiberglass. But Jesus died on Calvary, he died there on a cross. And what he died there for to save the sinners at last. So I mass me, I mass out. Your check said that me pass out. But the parties go to England and bring pound back for me. But when me get that money, now me just and ready. But the girls into my place and in my vicinity. But every time me boss they say hello, Pinchy. I mass you, I mass out. In me check said that you pass out. She said hello, honey. Hello, good looking. Hello, honey. Hello, good looking. You know, Pinchy, I heard you start to sing. Is it you who sing the song and greeting? Oh no way, baby, it's off by my e-friend. The song I sing is all a lit, it's up again. And whenever it playing dancer, it's a problem. She said, I like the way it moves me. Flip it up again, it moves me. So mass me, I mass out. And your text said that me pass out. I mass me, I mass out. Hey, your text said that me pass out.
Yeah, I'm back in here. Yeah, this is crazy, because guess what? I got the plumber in here, like I said. Yeah. Alright, we're back in. Let it run.
Earth. It is currently located 138 AUs from the Earth. AU meaning astronomical unit, which is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, which means that Voyager 1 is 138 times further away from us than the Sun is. At some point on its long voyage, Voyager 1 means that Voyager 1 is 138 times further away from us than the Sun is. At some point on its long voyage, Voyager 1 turned its camera around and took this photograph. It may not look like much at first, but in my opinion, this is the greatest single photograph ever taken in all of human history.
Wow, you hear that, people? Watch this right here. You hear what he say? The greatest photo ever taken in human history. We gotta see that.
But in my opinion, this is the greatest single photograph ever taken in all of human history. This tiny, pale blue dot is Earth, and
that pale blue dot right here, this little dot, is your brain if you believe in this dumb shit. That's what he's trying to tell you. No lie, people. Are you kidding me? Wow.
I don't think that anybody has ever said something as amazing about this as Carl Sagan when he said, if you look at it, you see a dot. That's here. That's home.
And there you go. They're showing you this again. You think this is the Earth? Wow. What is this they be showing when they say it's the Earth, people? What is it? Wow.
That's us. On it, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever lived out their lives. The aggregate of all our joys and sufferings. Thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines.
Yes, all of that set up by man. All of the religion, all of this shit right here. As you could see, star and the numbers and the letter C are the number 3 right
Every hunter and every forager. Every hero and coward. Every creator and destroyer of...
Destroyer. Wow. Destroyer. The same wing that you get for the Freemasonry. You get on the American... in the White House, okay? And then they use it for the Russian seal also. There you go. What do you think? Yes, it's a swastika right there you're talking about, or the eagle.
Civilizations. Every king and every peasant. Every young couple in love. Every hopeful child. Every mother and every father. Every inventor and
inventor, wow. Every explorer, and there you go with your Columbus. All of them holding cross is the same shit.
Every teacher of
every teacher.
Morals, every corrupt politician, every superstar, every supreme leader.
Every supreme leader. Wow, they all the same. Big old female right there.
Every saint and sinner in the history of our species lived there. On a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam.
Wow. That's a mockery, people. That's a mockery, you see it?
Lived there, on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Voyager 1 is currently traveling at 17 kilometers every single second, but even at that speed, it won't break out of the reach of our solar system for another 30,000 years. Once we go beyond the solar...
Of course, it's 30,000, right on the money. They're tricking the
system,
dumb
we
people.
arrive in our interstellar neighborhood. Here we shift to the light year unit of measurement, which is the distance that light travels in a full Earth year, or about 9.461 trillion kilometers. The star Proxima Centauri.
You hear that, people? Just pay attention, because they sell you the dumb shit called light years. Only dumb people believe in that shit. Of course, it is dumb. Light years, of course, it's dumb. Dumb as fuck.
Or about 9.461 trillion kilometers. The years. Once we at that speed, it won't break out of the reach of our solar system for another 30,000 years. Once we go beyond the solar system, we arrive in our interstellar neighborhood. Here we shift to the light year unit of measurement, which is the distance that light...
They measure it, people, and they find out how many light years away it's at. I'm telling you, man, why people so dumb? These are the hardest video for me to do, people, because it's so dumb. I don't get it. It's like dumb shit.
Travels in a full Earth year, or about 9.461 trillion kilometers. The star Proxima Centauri here is the closest other star to us other than our sun, but it's still 4.24 light years away from us. To put that into perspective,
4.24 light years away. Of course, you think man understand that dumb shit? Of course not, it's fake.
If it was heading in the right direction, it would still take Voyager 1 over 70,000 years to reach it. In other words, if you drove your car at 100 kilometers an hour like in our previous example to the moon, it would take over 6 times longer than the entire age of the universe is just to finally get there, and it wouldn't even exist still when you arrived. When we zoom out even further, we can see the entire...
Listen how they confuse the people. Listen how they do it, people. Listen. Wow, it's dumb shit.
Milky Way galaxy
Milky
inside
Way.
of...
There go your Milky Way, a one-eye symbol in the sixth world.
Earth is located right here. This yellow dot is the furthest extent of humanity's radio broadcasts
I don't know, it do something to the dumb people mind when they keep showing you a dot and pointing a big old red arrow on it and say, that's you, that's where you live. It's the dumbest shit in the world.
History, which means that any possible aliens who live outside of this range are totally unaware of humanity's presence. It's complete silence outside of this yellow dot as far as we are currently aware, but the entire galaxy spans over 100,000 light years from end to end. There are over 100 billion stars and over 100 billion planets.
Of course they count them, people. They count every fucking one of them. That's how dumb people is. They believe it.
Inside of our galaxy. But you have never seen the full glory of the galaxy at night, because 99% of the stars that you can see with the naked eye are limited to this small, tiny region right here. But even this massive galaxy is nothing compared to the rest of what's out there. Zooming out even further and we arrive at the local group of galaxies, a collection of 54 different galaxies that is about 10 million light years across.
10 million light years across. Wow. So they're telling you how long light get from one area to the next, and it gonna get there so-called. And yes, it's gonna take 10 million light years to get there. Wow.
Zooming out even further and we can see the Virgo supercluster, of which the local group here is just a tiny segment of. There are at least 100 other groups of galaxies just like our own local group inside of here, and the distance from one side to the other is a mind-numbing 110 million light years.
You know what, people? You know what I'm thinking is easier? I guess, people, you know what? It's easier to believe it than to disbelieve it. You know that, right? Because once you believe it, you put your whole trust in these sodomites right here that telling you about it. Of course, you don't have to do nothing. You just sit back and listen to them. But right here, for me to debunk it, of course, I know 100% that it's fake shit. Okay? No doubt about it. That's when your brain start working and debunk this shit right here. Because it could never be real. No doubt about it.
In light years. But even the massive Virgo...
When did y'all see it? When did y'all see it? Because it do take that light years before the light could get to you. So how the fuck did you see it? I don't get it, man. How did you see it? This don't make no damn sense, man.
Supercluster is nothing but a quiet and tiny lobe of the Great Laniakea supercluster, an enormous structure that is home to our galaxy as well as 100,000 other galaxies. The distance from one side to the other is 5...
You know what they do when they tell you these garbage? it take the Almighty out the equation. You understand? Because basically all this shit happens by coincidence. Big